So I'm out here on this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Saturday. It's about 40 something, almost 50 degrees. And car been sitting for about 4 days now. I'm gonna give you a real good cold start for you guys to see who's working with this. Go. Cold start, first thing in the morning, man. Here she go. Now I gotta give it to you. YouTube, what up, man? It's your boy, Mr. Mopar 410. About to clean the whip up real quick. It's about 54 degrees out here. So I'm ready to try to clean this thing up after all that rain we got the other day. So, yeah, just need a good bath. Clean inside this thing and be right back with y'all. So, just getting to Vance Auto. Ready to try to wash this thing. Like I said, so I gotta come in here and buy something, man. I'll get some. I ain't even doing cleaning supplies. Hello. So let's see. I like this. This worked pretty good. But let's see. What should I get? Let's see. Usually get this. This works great. Getting this. It's the only brand I like to use. This brand. Let's see. This right here works pretty good too. Speed Shine. Got some of that in the car. That's the show. Works great too. So, got that. Need some shine for the tires. Let's see. I like this, but I don't like how it may splash off. I usually get this, McGuiars. They don't have this brand of the tire shine, which I don't see. Nope. Again, good brand, good stuff. Nope, don't see it. They don't have it. Let me see. Thanks, normally be stocked up with stuff, man. I'm surprised. Smell goods. This is my favorite right here. Good scent. It's pretty cool too. Sometimes they be tripping, man. They normally have the 3-pack. I only got the 2-pack now. So they coming up short. Hard to hold off on the smell good. I don't see nothing I like. Yeah, I don't see nothing here. Like, oh damn, they got a sale going on. Look at that. Let me smell this. Oh yeah, I gotta get this. Smell pretty daggone good for $1. For $1. Can't beat that. What else I got for $1? Yeah, all the dollar was gone. I don't like all that tropical. Let's see. Nah, I can't do that. Nah, I just stick with this. Stick with this, buddy. All right. Buy one, get one free. Oh, 50% off. That's on McGuire. Yeah, that's on McGuire. Yeah. Not a big McGuire fan. But I might have to go with it today. Let's see. Let's get the all-wheel cleaner. Let's go with this. And get one 50% off. Let's go with this insane tire shine. Yes, do that. Got this in the car right here. I do real good work. But let me get out of here and I'll get back with y'all. Peace.
Spot.
ready to rip now. But gotta park it. I go to work tonight, so that's all good. She clean. It's a nice day to do so. Tell me how she look. Better yet, tell me some of the chemicals, some of the products you guys use, so I can, you know, try it out, see how it works. Drop it down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys use, and I'll take a look at it and see how it works. But yeah, man, it always feel good once you clean your whip up. You just feel clean. So yeah, appreciate you guys for watching.